What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And guys, what a difference a week makes. Last week we had all the cars out. It was super sunny. It was beautiful. And then this week, as you can see, it's just rain. It's freezing cold. It's raining. You know, it's January. It is what it is. But luckily, we're in the big, beautiful new shop, and we've got a pretty crazy project today. And I think you're gonna dig this one. Yeah, I think you're gonna dig this one. We've never done anything like this before, so strap in. Let's see what we can make happen here. All right, so everybody remembers George's car from Atlanta. This is the 93 Leadfoot Gray notchback that we're doing the Coyote and supercharger and all that in it. But if you remember when the car was dropped off, it came with this dash. Now this is out of a 05 to 09. I know they did some changes, but I think this specific one is out of like an 06. And they had already, it looked like they were trying to do something in here with the brackets. We're not sure if they were put in here to kind of stabilize the body because it was totally taken apart and on dollies or what. But George said, you know, if we could do it, if we can figure it out, then yeah, if it's not too expensive, you know, he wouldn't mind having that dash in there. So what we're going to do today, we're going to try to figure out what it's going to take to make this happen. Now, this isn't groundbreaking. Dash swaps have been done many a times, but I cannot find anywhere where a write-up or a video has been done that just kind of gives you some of the details and some insight on what it takes to put a late model dash into a Fox body. So that's what we're going to try to do today. I don't know how this is going to go, but I'm going to give you as much info as I can, show you as much as I can, see what happens. Okay, guys, so here's the deal. We got both dashes side by side. This is out of a 93. If you're looking, kind of head on, trying to get this as straight as possible. If you look at them, the width is not that much different. Maybe a hair wider. We're gonna get a tape measure out here in a second. I'm gonna give you the exact length, but you can kind of see it's not that much longer, really, is it? Well, here we go. All right, so stock Fox dash, end to end, 54 and a half inches. S197.
54 and 7/8.
All right, so 54 and a half, 54 and 7/8. So 3/8 of an inch difference. And obviously, you know, when you shut the door or stuff like that, you got a padded door panel, so you can make up that 3/8 of an inch. So that's kind of crazy because that's, you know, an S197 in you know, in my opinion, is a fairly large car. Seems quite a bit wider than a Fox, but you look at that, it's pretty dang on close. Okay, guys, so we did see right here, they already had these mounting tabs. I guess these were out of the other car. They're already mounted up, and then you bolt the dash right here, which we're going to do that here in a second. And yeah, it looks like they just kind of used stock brackets and just kind of made them work. But that's how the dash is going to hang. So let's see what it looks like inside the car. All right. So obviously, guys, this is just a shell. It weighs nothing, really. So I'll throw this thing in here. You see right here, going in. It looks like they've done a little shaving right there, or cutting. I don't know what was there from the factory. Let's go around here and look at the other side. Yeah, you can see it's had a little cutting done on it as well. Interesting. Okay, so that's what that is. It's supposed to catch it right there behind the AC vents. Is it lined up with the bolt holes?
No.
Okay, so let's go over the top here. I don't know how much farther back we need to go. Oh, there we go.
No, we get the top first.
The top's kind of hitting it, isn't it? Yeah. All right, guys, already, here's a couple things that I'm noticing. See right there where your shifter's supposed to come up? It's covering it. Okay, so let's put this top panel on. Guess that's what it's supposed to, yeah, it needs to come.
Yeah, that's gonna hit a lot of work there.
Yeah. Are you fairly lined up with where it?
I just gotta go that way a mile.
Yeah. So actually the top of the dash needs to come back towards us quite a bit just for this top piece.
Keep thinking about you.
Right. Okay, yeah, good point.
How close this is.
That's super low right there. Like, your feet are not going in there. Not comfortable. And then you've also got, you know, where's your shifter going to pop up? Behind your radio? Yeah, you can do like a C4 and put a shifter back here. Or, I mean, well, you could do 6R82 and put it back there. But, yeah, this is no joke. Yeah. Yeah, guys, we got the console too, so just for the hell of it, let's put it in and see what we're looking like. Oh my god. Is that gonna go? I think this goes in.
Yeah, the ass end's got to come weight a mile down too. See it?
Oh yeah. There you go.
It's going in.
Yeah.
It'll.
So, yeah, just kind of sitting there uneasily. Oop. Yeah, you can see where they trimmed that. Interesting. So that's going to put your shifter location back here, which is not going to jive with the body at all. So, I mean, you're going to have to run. I mean, you could maybe do like the MT82 that moves the shifter back.
Yeah.
If you wanted to. Or an automatic.
Yeah, automatic.
You know, because you go automatic, you can pretty much put a shifter anywhere. But man, this is no joke.
Looks interesting, huh?
Yeah. Hats off to anybody that's done this so far. It's like, that's not even the half of it. You get up here, and then you're going to have to make this piece, which that doesn't really follow the contours of the Fox either. You see the...
It's got to come back a couple inches.
Yeah, it's not even up on the dash where it needs to be. If you come around and look right here,
Yeah, if we put it up there, I mean, it's going to go...
it needs to go back. That's close.
Yeah, it's pretty close. You can see how far it is out front now.
Yeah, so it's kind of where it needs to be. And you see right here on the ends, well, shoot, the whole thing. All of this would have to be trimmed down. Which, I mean, that's not a huge deal. It's plastic. You can trim it, but...
I've had to cut defrost.
Pretty much, yeah.
Then make new defrost holes.
Yeah. All this is, I mean, that's pretty good bit. And then right here, you're going to have gap, and then right here, you got to cut. So that's going to be a job. All right, guys, so we're kind of looking at this side, and Dover was showing these braces, and you can see... Dover, you got your flashlight on you? I want to show you guys these braces. Yeah, you got that your flashlight? It had braces in it, and you can kind of see what they were thinking about doing. You see the holes, and, you know, obviously that's got to be pushed up. But again, the problem is you're putting your leg in there. Don't mind me, guys. You're putting your leg in here, and, you know, that's how you're going to drive. Yes, I know that's awkward. Awkward movements, but okay, so your steering wheel is going to be like in this area. God, I don't know. That the whole dash needs to go up. And then you're basically like into the windshield. All right, guys, so we got Ken, Speed Addict 731 here, and we got a seat. That's actually not...
That's not bad.
That's not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
I mean,
Yeah, it probably worked.
I mean, I like to move around, but it's not bad.
How close, like Okay, so
You're
you're kind of...
probably 3 or 4 inches away.
It's not as bad as I thought it was.
No.
It is bad, though. Like, I mean...
And it make it go up a little bit.
I'd like to see it with the pedals in it and everything else, but
still, you don't
the
have
shifter
any room.
could be right here.
Well, it's going to that's what we were talking about earlier. You look at this hole. The hole's covered by the radio.
Yeah.
So we're going to have to either be an automatic, or we did think maybe the remote mount shifter on an MT82.
He's got a manual he wants to do for his car, right?
This is George's car. He's doing manual.
Yeah, T56 Magnum.
Yeah, so that's the thing. We thought you could do like an MT82 because it's got that remote mounted shifter.
What about a...
but
yeah.
you see, I mean, where it's covering up, the HVAC is like directly over where the shifter needs to come out.
And this is all where the other people had everything mocked up to fit.
Right, because you see, you've got brackets right here.
Yeah, this ain't our thing.
All right, Ken, come sit in Phillip so we can see the difference, like where your feet come. Yeah, see, you almost have to have an automatic.
One of the S550 would dash would fit.
Well, I mean, we're not. It's
Yeah,
been
it's a
done.
water car.
Like all of these swaps have been done. We're not. This isn't groundbreaking or anything, but we haven't actually done it.
No. But I think it's doable. It's just...
Yeah. Ken, just for reference, sit in.
Go sit in Phillip.
Let's sit in Dover's car. It's Phillip.
Come in the Fox.
Right. So let's see what kind of distance we have in the Fox. Ooh, it's dark in there.
Now,
Okay,
this
that's
a lot more room. See, it feels more,
Yeah, you can actually.
I don't even think you can see the pedals.
No, you couldn't. That's the thing.
Mm-mm.
With that other dash in there, you cannot see the pedals.
No.
So
It's
yeah,
comfy.
yeah, you like those termy seats. Okay, so yeah, another issue with the dash swap. All right, guys, so there you go. Not 100% sure if we're gonna do this yet. Not 100% sure. Obviously, there's gonna be a lot of trimming, a lot of massaging, and George is planning on using a manual trans T56 Magnum, which, as you can see again, we got an issue there. Perhaps, maybe the dash can come, like this can come back a little bit and forward and solve some problems, but then we've also got, which we talked about this earlier, we have this area right here where your right leg's gonna be. You've got an issue there. But again, we showed you the length. The width-wise, we're in good shape. I don't know. Like I was saying earlier, there's a lot of guys that have done this. I mean, there's even S550 dashes and Fox bodies. I can't even imagine. So this is not groundbreaking. This is not, we're not trying to pull any firsts off here, but this is a first for us. We haven't done this before, and I also haven't seen anybody that's actually, did any kind of write-up or any kind of video on what it takes to actually pull this off. So, again, not 100% sure if we're going to do this or not. If we're going to make this happen, we're going to talk to George. Obviously, he's the car owner. But, I mean, it does look cool. I mean, it's cool looking, and I got to say, I like the harder edge lines of the S197 dash more than I like the 94 to 04 dash swap. It just kind of seems to fit the car a little bit better. That's just my opinion. Again, don't send me any hate mail. But I do like it. And even, I mean, you can put S197 seats in the car. Be pretty sweet. All right, guys, so there you have it. That is the first installment on the dash swap. Again, I don't know if we're gonna make this happen. I don't know if we're gonna do this, but we are looking at it. We have to talk to to George. It's his car, and see what the deal is. Now, here's the thing: we get the dash in, we get everything, to where it fits well, as far as where the shifter comes up, your legs, all that. You still have to make everything work, and so that another challenge in and of itself. So it's a big project. Hats off, to anybody that's ever done a dash swap like this. It's not easy. There's nothing easy about it, but it is cool. So I figure if we can do coyote swaps, we can do dash swaps too. So keep an eye out for this one. Keep an eye out for all the other builds. We got a lot of stuff coming. And in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, guys. Right now I'm doing 3 a week, sometimes more, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Keep an eye out, and I'll always have fresh content for you. Later, guys.